Thank you, Kanimsham. This is very slow. Okay, fine. So let us see. Is it our ETR is our instance, right, Ramna?
It
ETAR. What is our instance? This is our instance only, right? You don't know.
yes.
Okay, fine. So I'll take this instance because that other instance is not working. I don't know. It's taking a lot of time.
I actually I didn't get the new instance
New,
credential.
no, no, new. I'm using old instance only. But in new instance, I use it
Old,
for
okay.
only PR creation. That PR creation also I'm trying to rectify here only because that new instance was not working. It was having some again some
Okay, okay. Sure.
taking time to load. There are a lot of issues are there.
Okay.
Okay, so today
Yeah.
our topic is receipt accounting. That receipt accounting yesterday I have started some what you call fundamental things. What is the how
Okay.
are you going to make a I mean what are the sequential steps you need to follow to make it out receipt accounting. So
Okay.
in order to test the receipt accounting, we are going to take the PO. So
Okay.
then for that PO, we'll receive it and then we'll run the programs. Certain programs we need to run and we'll see how this particular receipt accounting will be posted into the general GL. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm creating one plain PO because the old instance was not working now. So this is
Okay.
again one more new one. So directly I'm creating a order. Okay, this is a surgery one. What is ours only? Mm, I have not
Actually,
tested
what
with
is
the
the job role for receipt accounting? Is there any job role?
yeah cost accountant is the job role. Yesterday we we stopped actually because we could not find out the job role. Cost account is
Okay.
the job role. For that cost account, we have to provide business unit and cost organization. These two axes we have to provide.
Okay.
So I'm going for US one. So for SR01, I'm not sure whether accounts are properly done. So that is the reason I'm going for US one. Okay.
Okay.
So click on create. So we have some more concepts like consignment inventory is there. That is one
Yes.
topic. And pay on receipt is like once we receive the material against a PO. So we have a pay on receipt concept. Pay on receipt means moment once you receive the material into your inventory organization. So we we have to run one program. Pay on receipt some program is there. So
Okay.
automatically system will create the invoice. So we don't need to create the manual invoice. So that
Okay.
topics, those are two to three topics are there. So that will cover next sessions. So this week I am completing PR procurement. Next week onwards inventory one.
Okay.
So click on plus. It's very slow. Yes. Okay, so I'm taking here one item. This one will take. Okay, so we'll take this one. Yes, 15114040. So now I'm doing this receipt accounting for standard receipts. So you can Run this receipt accounting for all the three receipt routing types. One is direct, standard, and inspection. Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm doing for standard one. So you can do for remaining as well. 100. Price is some 10. So I'm verifying what is the destination type inventory, and sub inventory is not required. Delivery location is 001. So matching is the three-way, and this will be receipt, and remaining and all it is fine. And what is the date? Request delivery date. So we'll keep it as 19. We'll keep it as 18 only. And then go to schedules. Receipt routing you have to verify. Okay, so here inventory destination type, receipt routing. Uh, this one should be standard. So try for inspection and direct. It is also same thing. There is no much difference. Okay. So now save the form. So manage approval. We'll see. SPRE. Someone again fiddled. This is demo instance. People are making lot of concerns for this approval. Yeah, this making our life.
Even new instance also issues there. Even new ones.
No, it is not a issue with rule. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
they are
No, no,
opening
not rule. That is an instance.
instance. We don't have any issue. That is what I am telling.
Okay. Okay.
Some rule, somebody will opening something. Suppose if I written in one stage, they have
Okay.
disabled that. Then my rule won't work, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Terms approval, edit rules. Here nothing is there. Okay, we'll create one simple rule. SR01 rule for PO something. Click on that and add a condition. So one is procurement BO should be is in. So one is US1. Hey, can you go on mute?
Okay.
So click on plus. Again, I am giving SR01. So these are my two BUs. And mm, make documents as also document document type. Document type should be value is also is in So BPA, CPA, all those things I'll keep. Blanket, blanket, and then contract and consignment, consignment. Consign, consignment also it is there. Purchase order, consign is there, I guess. Something consignment agreement, consign agreement, consign. Mm, okay, why it's not showing that this is required? Agreement will go. Mm, see, contract only it is coming. Fine, we'll see that one later. Okay, so I am giving these are the document types and
There is nothing like consign, huh?
uh, no, we have agreement, right? Consignment agreement also there.
No, no, no. Contract purchase agreement, CPA.
Oh, there is nothing like consignment. Oh,
No, no.
okay, 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 fine. So now I'm making as auto approval, automatic. Then save, save and close, deploy. Okay, so now go here, cancel, save it, and resubmit the approval. Should work now. Okay, now submit. Now system will do auto approval. Now for this, we'll make it out receipt. So we need to take this much view. Consentment using by WD, right? Hari, Harsh?
No, no. That is purchase order, purchasing style, not agreement.
Okay, 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 fine. So now we'll see whether our order being approved or not. Go to manage orders. Order and yes, one buyer is mine. Okay, so it is in open. Now go to supply chain, supply chain execution, inventory management, So we have to make a receipt. So I feel we have a data access, everything will be there. Okay. Receipts, expected shipments. So it is 001. It is there. So click on search. Click on receive. Now we are receiving into temporary location. Show receipt quantity. Why it is in disable mode here? Usually it has to be enabled, but maybe some checkboxes. Usually it has to be enable mode. Okay, fine. So we'll pass the manually 100 quantity and create a receipt. Submit. Now this is my receipt number. Click on done. Now we are going for receipt accounting. Receipt accounting, we need to verify first. Cost accountant should have a access or not. So go to setup and maintenance. So yesterday we stuck there and we could not find out what was the job role. So cost accountant is a job role. Manage data access. So click on plus, provide technomats, and role is cost accountant. Okay. Business unit is US1. Make a duplicate. We have to provide cost arc. Cost arc is US operations. Save and close. Then one time just sign out and sign in back. Go to supply chain. This instance is good. We could not find any issues. We have been using almost like 3 to 4 months onwards. So I did not face any problem. Fine. So go to receipt accounting. Okay, before receipt accounting, sorry, I forgot. We need to run one concurrent program. What is happening to her? Go to tools, schedule process. It's opened. Go to home icon, tools, schedule process. So these concurrent programs, most of the time it will be what you call scheduled. We don't need to run ad hoc manner like this. Okay. So now transfer transactions from receiving to costing. Transfer transactions from receiving to costing. Click on OK. Just submit the program. So once this program has been run, then you have to go to receipt accounting area. It is succeeded. Go there, go to supply chain, supply chain receipt accounting. We need to run this program, create receipt accounting distributions. Okay, so here we need the BU. So the once we don't have a axis, data axis, this BU won't come. Okay, so then submit. So now it will create the distributions. So if you want to verify the program name, program things, so it will start it now. After a few seconds, and if we go here, go to task list, review receipt accounting distributions. So it will show here the distributions will happen between accrual account and one more inventory inspection. One more account will come. So that we'll see now. So purchase order, I'm passing the purchase order here. So on or after, that is fine. Just click on search. Let it finish this. Still running. So go here, click on search. Search, it is there now. Yes, it is there. So this program has to success first. It is in pass mode. Okay. That is the reason it is not showing. Still wait. So process. It's taking time. Yeah. This is in pass mode. Yeah, now it is succeeded. It is going to complete. Okay, now succeeded. Go there. Click on search. Now transaction status is error. What is this error? Okay. See, this is the cost actually. Purchase order. What I mean, while giving the while creating the purchase order, what value we entered, and this is the tax. And if you go to distributions, system will show receiving inspection and accrual, and also some taxes. Taxes wise also we have some debit and credits. So this is the this particular thing will be useful for to understand what is the accrual. I mean, how much amount we are going to pay to the supplier. Okay, so this is accrual. So accrual will be knock off once we make a invoice. Okay, so receiving inspection means like we are expecting the quantity of the goods of 1000 from whom, from supplier. That is it is debited, it is increasing. So which is counterpart for this receiving inspection is the accrual account. Okay, see, since we have a transaction, that is the reason taxes wise also we have some entries. Okay, so I don't know what is this transaction error. And general entries will show once we need to run the one more program. The program is create accounting and create accounting we need to run. So once we run this, then general entries also will show. General entry means ledger entries. I mean primary ledger entries. So we'll run that. I don't know. This is status is showing as error. Not sure what is the reason. Okay, fine. So we'll run that another program. Go to review here, create accounting. So here we have to select the receipt accounting subledger application. So receipt accounting, sorry, receipt accounting. So ledger is yes. So the ledger which we have, yes, primary ledger, US primary ledger, and accounting mode. So I want to keep it as draft, and reporting style you want to make a detail, and remaining end date. So till which date you want to run this particular program. Okay, till 90 and submit the program. So once after running that particular accounting program, then system will push the entries to the GL general ledger. So once accounting type we have selected as draft, right? So it will be in, it won't post to the ledger. Once that accounting type is final, then it will post into the ledger. Okay, so that is the receipt accounting things. So first we need to run receipt accounting distributions, then finally we need to run the create accounting things. Okay, so we'll see this one also. Create accounting running. Execution report running. See, once we have a proper accounting setup present in the all SLS, so costing, receipt accounting, TAB, then we don't find any issues. See, now we got error. So some error it was throwing. Then it won't work this one. Error output for delivery. BIP status URL. What is this error? But create receipt accounting, we don't need to what you call open any periods. For cost accounting, you need to open. Thing is showing a generic class order. What is this error? Class loader. Not sure what is the error here. But without this system won't run. I mean, it won't generate the accounting distributions. I'll check it out tomorrow. What is the issue? So now if you go and click on search, still the general entity will show as a some error. Here error is there. That is what. How to find out that error? If you want to see that errors, uh, review no unlanded errors. We don't have any option here to see that. Manage trade, review purchase. Nothing is there here. How to find out that error? Error. Staples, action, quantity, tax determines. What is this error? Okay, I'll check it out. Why this error? So that receipt accounting, because of this error, system failed that accounting things also. Okay. So usually for US one it won't come, but anyhow I'll check it out. So after this, what is the next step is, see, once we move the data, move the quantity to the inventory, then we need to run transfer transactions from inventory to costing, then cost distributions we need to run. Okay. So for that, what we need to do is just go back to supply chain execution, go to inventory management. Now we are putting the stock from receiving location to the main location, storage location. Go here, go to receipts again, put away receipts. So what is my receipt number? This is my receipt number. Put away. So 100 quantity, then submit the process. 720 are entered, sir. So I'm keeping into completed. Click on submit. So these are the two programs we used to run once we receive the goods into our inventory. One is receipt accounting and second one is cost accounting. So before cost accounting, we have to run that program, transfer transactions from inventory to costing. Go to tools, schedule process, schedule no process, transfer transactions from inventory to costing. So here we have to pass some parameter, cost organization. So cost organization is US operations. Click on submit. Okay. So once after running this program, then go back to your costing, supply chain, supply chain execution, cost accounting. Okay. Now go back here. Which one need to go? We have to go for create cost accounting distributions. So run control you have to make. So let me search any run controls are there. And before doing the cost accounting, we have to verify whether costing periods being opened or not. Okay, so that we have to see. So come out from here. So go to somewhere here under it. Manage cost accounting periods. So my cost organization is US1. US. US. Click on search. So this one we already seen cost accounting for miscellaneous transactions. Long back we did. So now my cost book is 001 Seattle. So here current period is 821. 821 means it is open, right? So it is currently we are in the August. Current period is open. So this is never opened. Okay, open means like this it will come. Okay, now select this. Open a target period. See here, cost organization, cost book. Cost book is nothing but see we have seen, right? Cost arc, cost book, cost organization mappings. So we have seen earlier this particular how to link cost book, cost organization with inventories. Okay, so my inventory is 001. That is the reason I'm selecting this, and then click on open target period. Oh, it is 719. No. Okay, so we have to open one by one here. So still 19 to 21, no one will be open. Okay, click on OK. Now go to view period details. Here 121. Oh, never open. Okay, here only come. Search by year. Okay, click on done. So again you select here cost book. I'll select 001 so that we don't need to see all the other things. 001 Seattle. Click on search. Because under one organization we can add multiple cost books. Under one cost book we can add multiple inventory organizations. So that is the way system allowed to do. Now we have to open target period 8-9. So we need to do this way only. There is no other option because directly you cannot open current month. That option is not there here. Open target period 620. Oh my god, so many things. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 21 will start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So without opening this period, cost accounting won't work. 6. The basic setups already we covered. Okay. So that is the reason I'm not going for that. 6. क्या हुआ 6 में? Okay. Open target period 7. Open target period 8. See now period is open. Okay. So 8 right. Now it is the August. That's fine. Now click on done. Go to create cost accounting distributions. So we'll create our cost, our own thing. SR01 run control. Okay. Comment. Then I'm adding my cost org. US. Usually in live environments, we'll have a one control, 1 or 2 controls maximum. Okay. Cost book 001 Seattle. Then click on save, schedule process, submit. So now costing has been submitted. Save and close. Go here. We'll see whether costing will work or not, because there itself we got a issue. Inventory costing also. Okay, this is mine. I don't know who is this 1818. Okay. So this is the vast one. See, accounting is like we are not touching complete end to end. We are touching only very basic things. It's maximum 5%. Yeah, how much time it is taking this? Okay, once it has run, then same thing. Open here, review your cost accounting distributions, and then once everything is fine, then we'll push these distributions to the final ledger. That is the thing. So this particular program is for inventory to cost. So whatever material came into inventory, so what is the cost of that particular material? So previous one is receipt to costing. So only receiving. So usually receipt to costing also will be helpful for in the GL, in the financial point of view, but that is only for once you receive the material to your receiving location and what is the cost. But here Once we receive the material to inventory, what is the cost? So this inventory to costing will be widely used because inventory, everything it will hit. So inventory transactions will hit, procurement transactions will hit, order management transactions will hit. So everything, 95% things will hit in the inventory to costing, but receipt to costing only procurement things. Okay. So I don't know how much time it will take, but the procedure is you have to run that create costing account distributions and then review it. Finally, you need to post into the ledger. So this is the cost accounting. Cost accounting already we have seen for miscellaneous transactions. Starting time, we made a setups and then we ran these programs. Correct, Amna? Remember or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so same thing only, but here this will be taking a lot of time.
Whenever there is a direct receipt,
Mm. So
then
direct receipt, that time directly quantity will come into inventory, right? So for that, we no need to run the receipt accounting. Directly we can run your
okay,
cost accounting, inventory to costing.
okay, okay.
But receiving accounting will be helpful for standard receipt and inspection.
Inspection. Okay,
Okay, so those two scenarios also just try, and if you find any issues, let me know.
okay.
Okay, I don't think so. It will. We don't know how much time it will take to run this. I cannot show. Okay, so tomorrow we'll talk about consignment inventory, how to do the consignment inventory transactions, consignment concept, inventory concept. Yeah, this is taking time, and I'll also check what is the error actually we got. Okay, okay then. So don't know this one. It will take time. We don't want to waste our time here. So procedural wise, that is the way. For each and every transaction, whatever transaction will happen in the procurement, if it is standard receipt, you run the receipt accounting and then cost accounting. If it is direct, cost accounting. If it is inspection, both the things. So that is the procedure. Fine.
In real time, this all these scheduled PSS jobs, all scheduled, right? We don't
Yeah,
need to run
yeah.
manually.
This transaction, inventory to costing and receipt to costing, these and all scheduled.
Okay. No, we'll no need to run manually, right?
No, no, no. Even cost accounting distributions also they will do schedule. Monthly
Okay.
they will make it as schedule. Then they will run it according to that. Okay. Okay then. I'm winding today. Tomorrow we'll start that cost consignment one.
Okay.
Chalo, bye. Good night.